Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Roku streaming stick 4K easy guide step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Roku streaming stick 4K. Remove the streaming stick, power adapter, and remote from the packaging. Locate the HDMI port on your TV. Plug the Roku streaming stick into the HDMI port. If your TV has a USB port, connect the power adapter to it. If not, plug the power adapter into a nearby wall outlet. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input. You will see the Roku welcome screen appear. Insert the included batteries into your Roku remote. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair the remote with the Roku device. Select your preferred language from the list provided. Connect to your Wi-Fi network by selecting it from the available options. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the remote. Once connected, the device will check for software updates. Wait for the updates to install, which may take a few minutes. After the updates are complete, you'll see the Roku home screen. You may need to create or sign in to a Roku account. Follow the prompts to set up your account using a smartphone or computer. Once signed in, you can choose your favorite channels and apps to install. Explore the Roku channel store to find and add additional channels. You are now ready to enjoy streaming your favorite content on your Roku streaming stick 4K. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.